you want? What you want? Tell me what you want. I don't know. That one looks right. That one right. I think this or this. My mother gave me one little cold stuff. Where she get it from? My other bag of coal. This can work on this? This look like it can roast in this. Because this look like this meant to work so. Like the coal go under your so. And you put like a pot on top. I don't know if I can put the coal in here and do this, but it's supposed to can work. I just do it on the stove. I don't know. Kaya ina yung kaya. Added. I'll try a blaze fire. Yes. Wake it up, wake it up, wake it up. Wake it up, wake it up. Catch the fresh coal, the new coal. So them are catch up. And it's to keep on touch. Delicious. This looks like it was a roast more but look here. Alright, put that back. What else is this? What is sweet up? Put this in the eggs. Put this in the eggs. Yes, another wipe after that. People can taste breadfruit, so you remember. I don't remember. Watch the ride. Yeah, so tough, so like in a roast. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want. Who's that gal can't peel breadfruit? Hey, 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 hey. Let me go get a plate. Tell me what you want. This is hot. Ha 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 ha. Now my hand is black, so I need a paper towel. The clean side to hold it there so I don't block it up. And then let's get into it. To continue from here, so but now the breadfruit turn backwards. Hold on. Get in there. Get in there. Peel breadfruit like how you peel orange. Look at this. I'm glad it's not ripe. No. I was worried it'd start ripe already, but it's not. Ta-da! Gonna eat. It's alright. It's nice. And I'll buy a next one next month. Look at it. Cut out the heart.